Everybody, welcome to the service department of Disch Motor Group on Route 32 in North Franklin. 50 Car Sales of Franklin, part of Disch Motor Group. What we have out here is our service department. I've done a couple of these videos before, but I want to show you some of the work we're doing today. You can see all our lifts are full. We've got GMC, we've got Mini Cooper, Subaru, Chevrolet, and Ford. Pickup trucks, cars, everything you can think of, doing oil changes up to some heavy repair over there on the white one. All services available. We do BG flushes. We have warranty programs associated with all of our work. You get at least a 12-month warranty on all work done in the service department, but through BG and the different programs you can extend that even more, and you can actually get dollar coverages as well. Give Sean LaFave a call at 860-383-4750 for your appointment. We do take walk-ins, and we do everything from oil change to heavy repair. Give us a call. Thanks.